How to get Snapchat to stop suggesting friends. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to get Snapchat to stop suggesting your friends, what you're gonna do is simply open Snapchat on your device. Now, in the top left corner, you can see your Bitmoji. Click on it. After that, in the top right corner, you'll see the settings icon. Go there. After that, it'll take you to this page. Now scroll to the bottom. Now, in privacy control, you can see the option which says see me in Find Friends. Click on it, then toggle this off. After that, scroll to the top of the page and in my account, you can see the option notifications. Open notifications and scroll down. Now, over here, you can see friend suggestions. Under it, there are three options. They are all toggled on. Toggle all of them off. After you do this, you won't get Snapchat friend suggestion notifications. So this is how you can get Snapchats to stop sending you friend suggestions. So thank you for watching till the end of the video and see you in the next video.